It's not every time that you eat tomato stew. Sometimes you have got to switch meals. Hi everyone, welcome back to AB's Kitchen, and today I will show you how to make palm kernel stew or banga stew. I washed my palm kernel and kept the juice in the freezer. That's why it is frozen. Now I'm going to melt it. Now that it is melted, I'm going to add my seasoning powder to it and also add the banga or palm kernel seasoning. I will also add the peppers to this because I want to season the banga or palm kernel sauce completely before adding my proteins. Now I'm adding the proteins to it, and all the proteins will soak the banga sauce and all the juice inside of it. At this point, I added a little bit of salt in it, and then I covered the fish with the banga sauce so that the fish will soak in all the goodness of the banga sauce. If you hear me say banga sauce, palm kernel sauce, they are all one and the same thing. I just use them interchangeably. Now to the game changer. This is scent leaf. Yes, we are going to be using scent leaf to make our banga stew. Normally when making banga soup, you don't add scent leaf. But because we are making banga stew or palm kernel stew, we are going to use scent leaf to intensify our banga or palm kernel stew. So I'm going to slice up my scent leaf into a little bit and set it aside. Shout out to Mafuraji from Kenya. Thanks for watching this video and for tuning into this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for watching this video and for tuning into my channel. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Please also leave me your name and place you're calling from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And to all my subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Alright, I'm done slicing the scent leaf. Now back to the banga stew. I will switch the fish to the other side so that the fish can soak in the banga stew properly. To the banga stew, I'm also going to add eggs. Maybe some persons may not buy the idea, but I really like the taste of eggs in my banga stew. And don't forget that this is not banga or palm kernel soup, it is stew. So whatever proteins you wish can go into it. Now I'll be adding the scent leaf. This is what is going to conclude this banga stew for this day. You can just spread the scent leaf round in the stew, and then you have your banga stew ready for dishing out. You can eat your banga stew with rice, as we all know, most popular, with yam, with plantain, especially unripe plantain, and you will love the taste of this banga stew, I promise you. Thanks for watching this video. Till I come your way again, bye and God bless.